Hello, it's that Jess here, and that intro's gonna get real annoying real quick. I'm really sorry, it just kind of works with the username, so we're gonna go with it. But hello, this is my first YouTube video, and I always planned to have my first video as a room tour, and actually I had a few people request it, so that's worked out really well. I'm really thankful for that. So yeah, today is just a quick little room tour, but I'm filming this kind of intro thing not only because it's my first video, but also because there's a little bit of a FYI kind of thing. I am changing my room around like really soon, like really soon, so I've had to film this a lot quicker than what I expected, but that just means you're gonna get two like room tours. But anyway, I will now get on with showing you my room, and I hope you enjoy. Let's go to the room that I'm about to show you. Nice. Right, so this is what it looks like coming into my room. Now it is a small room, I am just warning you, so it's not going to be as much as other room tours. However, it's still quite cute and I love it. So if I turn you around, show you my door. So this is my pushing candor, and I've actually had the pushing candor for the last 2 years, and I'm definitely going to get the 2019 one as well. Actually, this is the October picture, and it's one of my favourite ones because look at him, he's so spoopy. And actually Pushing's a girl, but we'll just get over that fact. Then we've got my Dreamcatcher there, which I've had since I was little. Then moving around here, we've got my fairy lights, which have got Polaroids all over them. And we have my little display area, which is actually on top of my chest of drawers, but you know, you deal with the space you've got. So take you over here, we've got my little rainbow alpaca, which I got for my first ever con, which I'm quite chuffed with. And he is on top of my Sailor Moon collection, so it doesn't get more weepy than that. And then we have my pot of pens, which I adore. Some random little bits here. We've got like a Bulbasaur lookalike planter. We've got my Marie jewellery tray, which I have little bits and pieces on. Phone charger, and my Melody squishy. She's so sweet. Just like... that's so satisfying to watch, but I also feel bad squishing her, but it's one of those things. Then we have my Tsum Tsums, which was the Valentine's Day set from this year, and they smell like chocolate. Some other random bits and pieces here. So we've got some Overwatch pops, an alpaca, flamingo, pushing, and my jewellery, which I tend to wear every day. Then round here we have my Harry Potter coasters with all the Hogwarts houses. So I have my one on top, which is Gryffindor. And in here we have my weekly planner to do this kind of thing, which I actually haven't written on in weeks, but I will get back to it. And that is all on top of my chest of drawers. So the top drawer is makeup. I'll quickly show you that, although it is a little bit of a mess. So that's just my makeup drawer. Then down here we have my bits and pieces drawer, which everyone has. So a few notebooks, receipts, my Switch, my DS is there somewhere as well. Just a few random bits and pieces. And then down below we have two more drawers, which is tops and skirts and like bottoms, but I won't show you those because one, that's a mess, and two, I've actually got Christmas presents in them, so I need to keep that a secret. And then just down here we have got a ballerina like drawing piece of artwork that my granddad got me with little that's a Chinese New Year good luck charm. And we have my Eevee plushie and my KK slider. Then over here we have my eater bag, which actually I leave on the floor because I think it's too pretty to actually put in the cupboard, and I just pick it up quite often. Then up here over here on the windowsill we have a little Tsum Tsum photo frame from Clinton's, and inside we have a picture of the Mickey and Minnie 25th anniversary like statues that were in Disneyland Paris when I went last year in the summer. And then here we have a Lego Harry Potter wand and Luna Lovegood's wand, and they're just both there. We have my Cheshire Cat phone holder, which is absolutely adorable. I got him for Christmas last year and he's the sweetest little boy ever. And then here we have my baby Oleg in a BB-8 costume, which I adore because I'm actually a massive Star Wars fan, so I'm quite happy to own this. And then over here we have a few little bits and pieces. So we've got a few charms here, another one there. We've got my Marie photo frame, which was part of the Marie collection that was in Primark this year. And then here, this is actually a birthday card I got a few years ago from my sister. I just framed it because I thought it was like the sweetest piece of artwork ever. And I think that quote is very me. And then here we have a little box, which I actually got from Artbox when I bought a mug. I thought I just wanted to do something with it because it's too cute to just throw away. Then we have my Cheshire Cat pen pot from Disney Store, a photo frame of me and my boyfriend, a snow globe and a radio. So that's all the windowsill done, and I'll take you to the main part of my room, which is actually my bed. So over here we have my mega mini Tsum Tsum plush, which I adore. I've had that for a few years. They only released Minnie, Mickey and Dumbo, and I'm so glad to own one because I love it so much. And on top of it, we actually have our cat, Tilly. She tends to sleep on it a little bit, so I just leave her to it. Then we have my pyjamas and my Piplup from Forbidden Planet, which I adore. Then we have the rest of my plushes, which is like 25% of my room, so I won't go into all of them. We have some more Marie stuff, which is the bedding from Primark, a few more plushies, another plushie, another plushie, another plushie. So yeah, quite a few bits going on there. And over here we have my bedside tables, pretty standard. So I just use it to have my glass of water. I've got my bedside light. This mini is actually a Tsum Tsum backpack that I got from Clinton's on an offer. I adore her, but she's a little bit too small for me to use, so she just goes there, and I think it looks quite cute. And just a few more boring bits and pieces here. Then we get to another favourite bit of my room. I just adore that, so I'll go into it in a bit more detail. So here we have my Alpaca Elvis, my traffic light, which I use at night, my Isabelle Anne Town Hall figures, which I got for pre-ordering the new Leaf game when it came out, a few more bits and pieces up there, some of the Primark Beauty and the Beast range, a tiara, you know, some an Alice piece. We got my Tsum Tsum castle with all the princesses in. And then here we have got some Kinder Egg toys. So I've got the Hello Kitty and Powerpuff Girl collection. I'm missing one of each, so I'm hoping to complete them soon. So Depop is going to be my friend for that. And then here we have my Tsum Tsum collection, which is one of my most prized possessions ever. So I have colour coordinated it, which is great for aesthetic purposes. It looks, but it's a pain when you buy any more Tsum Tsums because you have to take them all out, and it's a job and a half really. And then also we've got my Oofuffies, which I mean rip, because Disney Store do not sell them anymore. So I'm so sad because I was planning on having like a row there and a row there, but now I've got to come up with something else to have there. But I love this little collection in my bedroom. I think it just brings a little bit of colour to it. And then down here we have my Pachymari plush from Overwatch, and then we have my Sylveon plush, which again I got from Forbidden Planet. And there's just one more detail to show you of my room, which looks a bit weird now, but actually the walls are glittery. There's like a soft pastel-y pink with glitter all through it, and I love it so much. But yeah, that is my room tour complete. So that's my room tour complete now. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it is short because it's only a small room, but I still love my room. I think it's quite a cute pastel-y place. It's got all my stuff in, so I enjoy it. But as I said, I am rearranging it, so there'll be another room tour coming up after that. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to making more videos for you. So that's it from me. Bye!